FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Pwnage Trinity CF in the Nacho Customs colorway. Scissors out. Do some. Oh, it's just going to peel right off. Okay. All right. Let's see if there's one on the other side. There is. See if this bad boy is just going to peel off too. It is. Thank God. It's going to just stick itself right back on. Let's get you up a little bit more. There we go. Please don't cut my mouse pad. These dull ass scissors. Holy moly. Next unboxing. A little giddy up here. We're going to... some other scissors. All right. Trinity carbon fiber. This is a new shape by Pwnage. This is really exciting. I love the Stormbreaker. I have like 6 Stormbreakers, I think, maybe 7. Good mouse. Yeah. Like 3 of the colorways from the original release of it. Really dig it. Cool purple. Not in the Nacho Customs colorway. I have their original in the Nacho Custom. They're yeah, it's cool. All right, here we go. Giddy up. Ooh, hey. Man, I like these carbon fiber products from Pwnage, man. These are nice. Just feel good. They feel good. They go. Got the they got the sensor adjustment thing on the bottom of this. There's little like screws here for those that don't know, and you can adjust where the sensor is. So like let's say I grip it, boom, like that on that day. Like I could move that sensor back a little bit and it would, feel better. Maybe. That's a lot of work for a maybe. Anywho, I'll play around with that maybe during my review of this. That is an interesting shape. You know that? That's it's kind of like a viper. It feels like a viper. Okay. Let's move on. Let's keep on trucking, boys. Sorry about the mess. I got like 60 mice. Let's keep them away from Gross Boy over here. Ugh. Lord. Quality control. Stop that one and clean it. Holy shit. Okay. You, don't know what I'm talking about, watch my Final Mouse ULX competition unboxing. This dull ass scissors, my God. Okay. Let's do a little dump. This is what it looks like inside. Package is in the box. Let's do a little dump. What do you got? What's in here? Okay, here's the screwdriver for tooling that sensor movement. You got your manual. Cool. Dot skates. I like that. And they make like the skates that they give you from Stormbreaker. They're really good. Really, like the PTFE ones, really good. Their glass skates are great too. Oh, and 2 different types of grips. We got like dot grips in different shapes. That's cool. I like that they have triangles. Like not a lot of grip companies release triangles. And it's like one of the better shapes, I think, for applying and unapplying. Because with the circles, they bubble up sometimes. Like, they don't lay flat because this obviously isn't a flat surface, right? So, like, you'll lay them down and they'll have, like, little wrinkles. They have to, like, smooth out over time. But it's hard to do on these, like, with cutouts. Also, this mouse comes in either solid siding or cutout siding, and it's like 2 or 3 grams savings. I got the solid siding though, because that's always been one of my least favorite. Oh, this one has solid siding too. That's their carbon forged of the Wheezy of that collaboration. So I'm gonna like this mouse, I can tell you that. The shape, it's just a very comfortable ergo, very full in the hand. If that's okay with you. Oh, let me put this cord back in. Give my little review on the cord. It's a cord. It's a cord. It's a nice cord, but it's just a cord. It's nothing like, I'm glad I have like this purple dongle suite, the blue one for the Wheezy suite. save on the manufacturing costs by keeping them pretty much the same. I'm sure the technical specs are pretty in line with one another too. That was the unboxing of the Pwnage Nacho Customs edition. Woo, doggy, man, that is just a good. I'm usually not a Viper guy, right? But this is. Maybe I'll have to give that Viper a shot again. This is nice. Okay. FragWatch out. Boop, boop, boop. Of some reviews out on like this Kong, or initial impressions on the Kong and the where are you? Yeah. Anyways, we'll have some initial impressions videos out. Oh, and this OP1 4K wireless. Initial impressions on that. I'm pretty close to it. I'm actually at pretty much review time for that bad boy. Might skip straight to that. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.